Yeah, so let's cover the type of SQL Server backups. And the simplest backups that most people learn when they first start doing backup work is full backups. And basically, the way a full backup works is that it takes a complete snapshot of the database. And if you're not using any kind of compression, then that backup file size is approximately the same size as your whole database. So if you have a database that's approaching a terabyte in size, then that full backup uncompressed is about a terabyte in size typically. So this full backups are kind of the easiest thing to use, and that's why people come across them first, because the other types of backups that we're going to talk about, differential and transaction log backups, they rely on the full backups being there. So full backup is always the starting point for recovery. You're going to take a complete copy of that database and put it back in place. Now, with full backups, I said the backup file is typically about the same size as the database if you don't have compression on. But if you turn on backup compression, you may get something maybe 40 to 80% of the size of that original database file, depending on the type of data you're storing. And that means you can just simply by turning on compression, you can be taking up less space for those full backups, but you can also be getting those full backups to write faster and to be read faster because there's less IO that has to happen when they're compressed. Okay, so full backups, it's just here's a complete copy of the entire database, and when it gets restored, it just goes in and replaces whatever database is there.
Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.